I hear your voice whisper through the arts and leaves. I can still feel your heart as I sink to my knees. Your beautiful eyes, the swinging of your hips, your wonderful mind, the pounding of your lips. But you're a force of nature, so the Spirit said. Not just a force of nature, but a special friend. The fragrance of the flowers reminds me of you. The starting in the spring and the autumn dew. I thought you was an angel. How could it be? Being in your presence brings hope to me. But you're a force of nature, so the Spirit said. Not just a force of nature, but a special friend. We always used to talk nearly every day, but then you closed the doors and you walked away. You cast me aside just like a broken bat. You closed your heart, thought you're better than that. But you're a force of nature, so the Spirit said. Just a force of nature, but a special friend. But you're a force of nature, what the Spirit said. Not just a force of nature, so where did our friendship end?